Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you are here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Anna. I make videos about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle in general. If you want to stick around, feel free to subscribe and join the fam. Today I'm back with another fashion video and it's all about the little black dress. Before moving forward, I just want to tell you that everything you see here and all the dresses that I'm showing you were already in my closet. I didn't buy anything new, and I really encourage you to look into your closets before going ahead and buying new things. Now let's get straight into the video. When we talk about little black dress, we think about the classic ones, but that's not always the case because black dresses can come in all different shapes and sizes and forms. Now, the first dress I pulled out of my closet is this one right here, and I honestly think that this shape is actually a classic one. However, the fabric is not what you really expect from a little black dress. The fabric is cotton, which gives it more room to accessorize it a little bit more casual, like with a belt maybe, or you can put a denim jacket on top if you want to wear it more like street style. It gives a lot of room to accessorize it in a casual way. All right, moving on. This piece right here is one of my favorites to wear when it's starting to get cold, when the fall and the winter is coming. And what I really like about this dress is that it literally snatches everything together. It's very stretchy and the fabric is a little bit thicker. It's perfect for the fall and winter season. It can be accessorized with anything, literally any color, and I like wearing it with booties. This one is rather a little cute dress than a little black dress. I bought it last year in Romania and I'm so in love with it. This is one of those pieces when you can wear anytime. You don't know what to wear, if you know what I mean. I like to wear it with the shoulders off. This ball here, it makes it look so playful and chic. And depending where you go, I like to accessorize it with golden jewelry, maybe an over-the-shoulder bag. This dress, I bought it at Zara, and I think it was maybe 3-4 years ago, and I still love it so much. It's faux leather, and I like the embroidery here. It's kind of embroidered lace at the bottom and by the arms. I like to keep it simple with this dress and just wear it as it is with heels. Last but not least, this is a beautiful fall winter dress. It's made out of very thick cotton, but I absolutely like the short front, as you can see here, and the long back style. The long sleeves make it so cozy. No accessories. I like to keep it simple and wear it with booties. That was it for my little black dress or little cute dress. Now I want to ask how you like to wear your little black dress. Are you more of a casual type or you keep it classy at all times? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please hit that like button if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified every time I upload, and I will see you next time.